This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. CLA Shooting Brake. Ooh. Mercedes, frameless windows. There's people in the back there. Let's check out the trunk. We can show the trunk. The back is quite sloping. Let's see. Wow, it has a quite deep trunk. Do we have anything under here? A little bit. Oh, interesting subwoofer. Wait, is that subwoofer? I'm trying to decipher what all this is. There's some electronics there also. Wonder why they didn't hide it all. Okay, so decent sized trunk. So they call it shooting brake. It's not like a typical station wagon, right? See here, really sloping back end. And then here in the back, we see if it's available. Yeah, it is. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But there's a quite tall guy in front of me. And then there's literally no leg room here for me. I need to squeeze in here. And then...
Should I sit like I'm sitting? I'm 195.
195, wow.
So, okay, I would sit like you would sit, right? Or like I sit like I would sit. Like
I'll try here. Okay. They put extra light here. This is not the regular light. Okay. Okay, leg room. Sorry, okay, headroom. We have USB-C, 2 of them, illuminated. Regular vents here. Nice interior though.
Is there space?
Yeah, there's okay space here.
So I sit here and you can sit behind me, right?
Okay, yeah, I can sit behind. I'm 173 centimeters.
I'm 195, so people,
it's
totally
okay.
fine.
Yeah, it's okay-ish. I feel like the leg height here is not the best. And you still have okay here, though. Yeah, they actually extended this glass roof to be far enough here in the back. And interesting, I never seen this before in other cars, but you have this thing here. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I'll find out later. Does it have ski opening? Of course. Also, here. But just the lid that you need to get rid of somewhere. That's kind of clumsy, but at least it's there. And here in the front. Holy crap, this thing looks big. I feel like I want to fist this thing. What the heck? There's a screen there. So Mercedes is all about screens, but I noticed something. The screen is quite vertical this time. The EQS screen is more tilted, which is better, I think. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this very horizontal screen. We still have the same here. 2 USB-C there. The bridge design, wireless charging pad, only 1 though. Let me try the seats here. Wow, pretty nice and comfortable seat. But it's a bit compact. I feel like it's cramped here compared to the EQS. Wow, wonder if this is Burmester. I recognize that. Okay, nice design. Yeah. Does it have a frunk though? We need to pop the hood. Wow, is this the first Mercedes with a frunk? Oh, I think so. You could almost fit a banana box here. Is there anything on here? No. Is that carbon fiber? Wow. Maybe they tried to make the cars light for once. They even tried to shed off some weight here. So it has a frunk. You can put a suitcase or something else here. Also looking here, seems like the nozzles are on the white arm. Okay, anyway, maybe I'll leave it open so other people can check it out. And here you see the spec. Meet EQ technology. Yeah. In case you guys haven't seen it, I am not sure. I haven't paid attention to all the tech coming out nowadays. 85 kilowatt hour net capacity. 0 to 100 in only 6.8 seconds. What is it, the rear wheel drive? Yeah.